Yo people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rom. If it's your first time here, I just want to say a big welcome to you. Today I am back again with a new sneaker review, and today it's a really good one because it's a Halloween themed pair of sneakers that I really wanted to cop for my collection. Nike dropped several pairs, but this is the one I really wanted, and of course I'm talking about the Airmax 95 Freddy Kruegers. So let's get into the review. So these were released as a part of Nike's Halloween collection for 2020. These dropped a part of a pack which included the Air Force Ones as well, which were pretty nice as well, I've got to be honest. Those were nice, but in regards to quality, I believe that these are even better than those. These retail for £150, and as I said, they dropped on Halloween. Everyone's getting the pairs now. I have to say, I'm very impressed with the quality of the sneaker. If you remember way back in 2007, that's the last time Nike actually put the Freddy Krueger colorway on any sneaker, and that was on a Nike SB Dunk Low. And if you go on StockX today and have a look at how valuable that sneaker is, anyway, I'll come on to that a little bit later in the video in the resale section. I have to say, recently Nike has been putting out some really nice sneakers, very nice quality made sneakers, and these are no different. From the back you can see that there is this silver with the Nike dripping blood at the back, and you get your stitching with the Nike logo there. And from the sides, it just feels very premium, very nice. You come to the front, you get this nice blue velvet, it's bluish velvet. On the sides, you get your Nike bubbles. On the bottom is red and black. It's that blood splatterings on there as well. On the tongue, which is corduroy. And when you come down to this bit, this silver thing, and it's got blood splashes on there as well. And if you look inside, you actually get this blood splattering on there as well. So there's a very great attention to detail in making this sneaker. So the big question is, will these sneakers resell? And in the short term, in my opinion, they will not. These sneakers will decrease in value because if you look at it, they are very seasonal. These are Freddy Krueger themed sneakers, and it's for Halloween. And a lot of people are not going to be rocking these sneakers when it's not Halloween. So these are sneakers pretty much you can only rock on Halloween. But saying that, these are very wearable, and if you're not a sneakerhead, you wouldn't even know what these are. So I expect these to increase in value over time. As I mentioned before, the Nike SB Freddy Kruegers, those are retailing for like 20 grand right now. It's hard to find a pair of them because it's been 13 years since they released. To find a dead stock pair of those will like finding a needle in a haystack. It's like finding gold dust. But I really don't see these hitting those levels, but I reckon over time these will be $1,000. I just think the quality of this sneaker will push it up there in value because it's some very nice materials used to make this sneaker. And I believe if you hold these for 5 years, you'll make money. You definitely see these hitting $1,000 after 5 years. But if you have them now, wear them or sell them straight away because you're not going to be making any money on these. I wanted these for my personal collection, so I copped them. And I think they're very nice. They sold out straight away. The attention to detail is just incredible on this shoe. Just look at the back, just really nice, and I really wanted a pair, so I copped them. So that's my predictions to resell. If you're gonna buy these for investment, it is quite a bit of money to invest in a shoe. It's £150, which is about $170, and they're not gonna go up anytime soon. So I reckon wear them or just don't even buy them if you're not gonna hold them for 5 years. Then I see them hitting $1,000 in most sizes. So people, that's it for the video today. Please remember, if you find information useful, smash the subscribe button below and hit me in the comments to let me know what you think of these. Something you would buy? Let me know. And if you've got any questions to me, the best place to contact me is on Instagram. So, handle is here. Peace.